everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rose. I look a bit horrible. I had an accident. If you want to know more about it, check my other video. In this video, I'm actually gonna be unboxing some Hoyas. Ha! Are you ready? Ow. This order is not just for me, it is for two of my friends as well. So not all of these plants are gonna stay here, and you'll see some doubles of plants as well. I like that they reused a box. Ooh. Ooh! Look at that. That's so pretty! This is gonna make a mess. I can reuse all of this. Ooh, I see some plants! In plastic baggies? Interesting. Ooh! This is what it looks like. Here are some pots, and then here are some pots. This is from, ooh, they're so pretty. This is from Euro Tropicals, a Spanish Hoya website. Let's take them out one by one. Let's start with you. Oh, interesting way of shipping. In like a little sock to keep the little Hoya tendrils safe. Oh, this is very pretty. What are you? Oh, I hope I get part of this. This is so pretty, Hoya. This is so pretty. A few plants they either didn't have more than one of, or they were just a little bit more expensive. So we decided to do something with cuttings. Yeah, I'm just gonna open it up. Hopefully I can give these to my friends in person so that they don't have to have these reshipped, because otherwise I would keep them in these little socks to keep them safe. Here we go. This is so long. Whoa. I really like this website because the plants were very affordable compared to some other places that I've seen. And they were plants and not just cuttings. I've been watching a lot of Hoyas for sale, but the cuttings sometimes are pretty expensive. And this one definitely, oh, a mini leaf. I'm glad I kept that safe. These ones were definitely full plants, so that's really nice. Does it have a little label? I'm guessing, I think this is the Potsii, yes. Okay, so this is Hoya Potsii. What did it say? I can read better here. Kuranda IML 0039. And it was 16 euros, which is right away the most expensive plant that we bought. I love the red leaves. That's very promising. If mine can get that as well in the future. Mine is going to be a cutting, by the way, because this is for my friend Ronya. But as you can see, there is plenty to take cuttings off. So that's really, really cool. I love the leaves. Whoa, this is so pretty. We were thinking about buying one each, but we didn't want to spend too much money and try out this website first. So that's why we decided on this little splitty business. So that's Hoya Potsii. Let's try another. Let's try, I'm so excited. Let's try this one. Ooh, 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 this is gonna be so good. Oh. If you've seen my tour of Paul Shirley's Hoya garden center thingy, it's not a center, it's a greenhouse. He had a Hoya globulosa that I fell in love with. Hold on, there's some soil. The back of the leaves were super soft and I just kept petting it. This is Hoya globulosa. Because Paul didn't have it for sale. If he had it for sale, I would have bought it from him, of course. But he didn't have it, so there you go. Oh, this has got some nice new growth too. I like it. There's several points of growth on here, actually. So we should have 3 of these in here. The leaves are nice and big and a little bit veiny, and the backs will become more and more fluffy. Long internode space here and a new leaf. This is nice. And here at the bottom, you'll see, if you look up close, I hope you can see this, there's 2 new growth points here. So that's promising. One of those is for me, one of those is for Micah, and then one of those is for Ronya as well. The owner of this plant. Let's get the other potsyies out. This one has more leaves. We'll have to have a little fight about who gets which plant. No, we won't. These are some of my very generous plant friends, so I like to give them the best ones and not keep the best one for me. Also because they probably can keep them alive better than me, since I'm a beginner Hoya carer for. Ooh, nice. So you can see the leaves are a little bit darker here already. A little bit, I feel like a little bit more mature, and the nice veining. There is a new little rooty point here, and then a new growth point at the end here, 2 of them. This is a nice long plant. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Last globulosa. I'm not quite sure. I feel like there is something in here that's... There's one more plant. There's too many plants. Let's see. This globulosa, the last one. It actually has 2 stems, so that's also really cool. Let go. I've never seen this before used to ship plants, so it's interesting. I don't really like plastic, but it does seem to protect the long Hoya tendrils well, so there's always pros and cons to everything. Also really impressed that she actually was able to ship plants out, because she is in Spain and Spain is in a lockdown, but I'm glad that her business can continue. Here is the last globulosa. Feel like there's a little point activated in there. And then this has 2 stems with a nice little growth point here and an activated growth point here and some soft leaves. It's really velvety. I like how the velvet is on the underside of the leaf. It's very different than other velvet plants that I own. Okay, let's create some space because we have some more plants to go to. So confused. Wait, let's get this one out first. I don't think we ordered this. Let me see. What are you? Tell me what you are. Ooh, that's pretty. Let me see. Cinnamonifolia as a gift. Aww. Isabel, thank you so much. Okay, so this is a Hoya Cinnamonifolia var purpurifusca. I cannot pronounce very well, but oh, it looks really nice. I have no idea what this plant is, so I'm gonna have to look it up on her website. But that's so sweet of you. Thank you so much, Isabel. I like them. They're very succulent-y leaves. Ooh, I'm very curious to see how this evolves. Cool. Oh, look. As soon as I put these down, Mickey decided to have a little nap on them. So I guess we're putting the plastic to good use. All right. Now for the 2 plants that I was expecting. Let's get this one out first. Oh, and I should tell you actually, some of these plants have different sizes. She has S, M, and L. The globulosas are size M. The potsyi is a size M as well. And then these 2 are size S, purely because that's what she had in stock. I didn't really look. This is an S. All right. Curious to see what the L looks like then. So these last 2 are for me. This is a krohniana. Oh, it's so pretty. I got a little bit obsessed with these shapes of leaves, like my Hoya curtisii, that is very much almost dead, by the way. I have a cutting and it has 1 leaf left. It has rooted, but nothing else. So I really wanted to get the Hoya krohniana, and I actually also really want to get the Hoya lacunosa, which kind of reminds me of this shape as well. The little oh, I don't know how to, like a water droplet shape. Woo, almost cut a new leaf. This one is a little bit too sticky outy to just pull out, so I'm cutting it open. Here we go. So cool, yes. Exactly what I was hoping for. This is beautiful. And it's actually, this does not look like a size M plant. Ooh, I love it. Lots of aerial roots and lots of little tendrils. I guess this is not a rare Hoya at all. I don't know, but I just like the shape of the leaves. I don't necessarily go for what's hip. I love the shape of these leaves. There's little patterns of silver on them. I don't think it's cold splash, but it looks like a little splashy pattern. There were some suspicious white dots on some of the plants, so I treated them, don't worry. And look, there's like 4 tendrils. This one is really long. And then at the top there, there's another tendril. This is awesome. Yes. Oh, and another one. Yay, this is a happy plant. I hope I can keep it happy. Cool, cool, I love it. Okay, last one. Why do I always sit like this and then halfway through I have to change because my legs are dying? This is the last plant, and it's the krohniana Eskimo. And this one is mine, but I'm gonna give a cutting of it to my friend Ronja, who's gonna then give me a cutting of that one. So, let go. All the aerial roots are stuck in the plastic. Here we go, almost. Whoa, it's cute. Definitely really cute. I like it so much. There's 2, it looks like 2 plants in this pot and about 4 tendrils. Yay! It's so pretty. I haven't really been dressing up since I've been mostly sleeping anyway. I have some headaches with this cut in my head and this bruised face. I don't know if you noticed, but my black eye is kind of turning yellow and green. I'm also not wearing any fancy clothes for you today. Sorry about that. But I am showing you some fancy plants. So I hope that makes up for it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And I would love to know actually which plant you would have bought or which is high on your wish list. Which plant is high on your Hoya wish list? Because I'm pretty new to them and I'm just going off of what I like the look of and what my friends recommend. Alessia has been super helpful in recommending some good plants. I was just distracted because there's a little bit of fluff on this that looked slightly like mealybugs, but it's just some fluff. So now I'm just overall distracted. Okay, I can't focus very long right now. My brain is still a little bit shaken up-ish. If you enjoy my videos, please consider subscribing. It really helps. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye. Hello, my babies.